So being healthy is very important for us. If we are healthy, we can do lots of things we want. We can enjoy and we can stay positive no matter what. We need to learn to take care of ourselves because...
Hey everyone, I'm Kusbu Khanal from grade 9, standing here to deliver a short speech on the topic of health is wealth. Health basically means the perfect condition of human beings in terms of physical, mental, and social well-being. Our health affects every aspect of our lives. It determines our ability to work, play, and enjoy time. When we are healthy, we have energy and strength to pursue our dreams and take some life challenges. When we are healthy, we can fully enjoy lives in simple pleasures like taking a walk in nature or pursuing hobbies that bring us joy. Good health gives us the freedom to live life to the fullest, and that's a treasure worth cherishing above all else. So let's prioritize our health. Let's eat nutritious food, get enough sleep, stay active, and take care of our mental well-being. Let's make choices that nurture our bodies and minds so we can truly experience the richness of life. Because in the end, nothing is more precious than the gift of good health. Thank you.
Hello, I am your classmate, Jestha. Today I am here to share my views on the topic health is wealth. Health is the most valuable position one can get in their life. On today's busy world, people easily forget about taking care of their health while chasing after success and being successful without realizing health is wealth. If you have health, then you have wealth. Imagine you are in the hospital's bed. Would you be wishing for more wealth or for your good health? Wealth gets over by time, but health, it never gets over. Unless
My name is Dixon Manala. Today I am here to give some information on the topic health is wealth. We humans are busy in our daily life so much that we are just ignoring our health. In simple terms, we are just blindly running for success, fame, and money and just leaving our health back. Health can be described as the physical, mental, and spiritual state of our body. In simple terms, can be described as the precious gift gifted by the God to the humans. In my opinion, a person with a bad health is simply like a rotten potato. We cannot do our day-to-day tasks if we have a bad health. Having good food, luxurious items, and having money is cool and better. But there is something better than that, and that is, of course, having good health. A prime example of health is wealth is my father or any other businessman out there. Businessmen often take stress in their company's sales, valuations, profits, losses, etc., which just directly harms their mental health. For second example, for consideration, let's take a boy named Nixon who prioritized his career over his health. He did not focus on his physical activities and mental activities and kept on working. Soon, he gained money, fame, and success, and a good job. But over time, his health got worse. Suddenly, those money and success seemed insignificant in front of his bad health. In other hand, there is a boy named Ram who made a proper balance between his career and his good.
Good morning everyone. Today I'll be speaking about a very famous proverb, health is wealth. Nowadays many people prioritize wealth over health, but the only thing that is important here is to think about the consequences we may face while letting our health go. Imagine yourself working at an office. You work day and night for your promotion, but at last you let your health go and you cannot attend your office. What if it was an important meeting for your promotion? Wouldn't it get cancelled? So, wealth comes when there is health. If you have health, then there comes wealth. Meaning, health covers each and every aspect of our life, even if it's mental or physical. Our mental and physical well-being is what matters our mental and physical well-being is what matters and what we need. There's a saying that yes, money is great. It can buy happiness. It can buy emotions. But in the absence of our health or in the absence of our good health, money means nothing. So always remember, health is wealth. If you have health, then there comes wealth. You work day and night. You work 24/7 for your promotions. You work 24/7 for your passions and careers. But at last, you let your health go. Even rich people can't buy good health in the absence. Even rich people can't buy good health if they have money. Because in the absence of good health, you are not going to complete any task. You are always going to pray for your good health. Even any serious illness cannot be cured by wealth. That's why, no matter what, health is wealth. And always remember to take care of your health. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. So today I am here in front of you all to deliver a short speech about the topic health is wealth. First of all, let's discuss what is health. Health is a spiritual mind, a physical body, and mindset of a man that makes him healthier or make him a man. Let's say there is a proverb saying a great mind and a great body equals to a great man. Why is that saying so true, and why is that saying goes every day into our everyday life? So first of all, wealth can buy you anything. Let's say you have wealth, you have a lot of fame, you have a lot of power, you have a lot of money. But can that buy you good health? Can that buy you your happiness that you lost when you were following in 20 years of your life, running for that fame, running for that power and money? Can that money and wealth buy you the happiness that you lost? Can that buy you the physicality, the mindset that you lost? Can that buy it? The answer is probably not, because you will be so blurred by the vision of money and wealth. Fame you got will make you.
Good afternoon to everyone present here. I am Agartha Ashwarya, standing in front of you all to deliver a short speech on the topic health is wealth. In our journey through life, we often chase after fancy cars, big house and piles of money, thinking that's what makes us truly rich. But the real treasure, the most important thing we can ever have is health. People have been saying for a long time health is wealth, and it's more true than ever. Money helps us afford things that makes our life comfortable, but good health is what allows us to enjoy life to the fullest, finding happiness and peace. If you are sick, you may not be able to do the things you need to do to feel better. You may not be able to eat the foods that will help you heal. So, it is very important to take care of yourself and make sure you are getting the nutrients you need. Health is similar to money in the sense that we understand the true value of it after we lose it. Health is more valuable for a person than money because money cannot buy good health and happiness. If someone is suffering from untreatable disease, however, money can maintain his or her health. We all know that we can earn money once after we lose it, but we cannot get back to our good health easily if we lose it due to our carelessness. Health is the only wealth we all are born with. So we must maintain both physical and mental health. Taking care of yourself, your health should not be an option, it should be a necessity. So make a healthy lifestyle a priority. Thank you.
Good morning everyone present here. I am Nimrita from grade 9 Manaslu, here to deliver a short speech on the topic health is wealth. In the hustle of our daily lives, we often forget one of the most invaluable treasure we possess, our health. Our health is the greatest treasure anyone can ever possess in their life. Health is not just the absence of illness. It is a complete state of physical, mental and social well-being. We can say health is one of the greatest elements of happiness in one's life. One cannot get happiness without good health. Let's take an example. We can see many people in life with good health but no wealth. They are happy and enjoying their life because they have good health and they do not need to worry about their health deteriorating. But we can also see many people with wealth. They are rich but they are not happy in their life. Why? They are not happy in their life because they do not have good health and they are always worrying about their health and they may die. We should take care of health. our health should be prioritized in our life the most. We should take care of our health, not for ourselves. We should take care of our health for our family, our society, and our future. A healthy person can contribute to society more than normal person, both economically and socially. A healthy person can take care of his or her family and can provide for their loved ones. A healthy person can also pursue their passion and future more effectively. In conclusion, health is the greatest wealth anyone can ever possess. Wealth can be regained if lost, but health cannot. In conclusion, let's acknowledge our commitment to prioritize our health, for it is the greatest wealth.
Good afternoon to my respected Jestha friends. I am very Jestha. I am very privileged and honored to stand in front of you all to present my views and thoughts on the topic on this book. Before I start on to my main topic, I would like to thank each and every one of you for listening to me. Now, in my opinion, health is our real wealth. Health is our main asset. Health is something more valuable than money. Health should be our top priority. We should always prioritize our health. Health is a precious gift that affects each and every dimension and aspects of our life. Health is something that we cannot find anywhere or we cannot buy without it, but we can take care of our health. By using our wealth, we can take care of our health. We can maintain our health by various ways, such as by doing yoga, by engaging in other physical activities, and by maintaining a really good and balanced diet. Our health can also matter in each and every situation.
Good afternoon to everyone present here on health is wealth. Health is mightier than wealth. Health, we need health in each and every aspect of our life. Health is one of the most important things in our life. Having good health is truly a blessing. Wealth does not matter if you don't have good health. Let's take an example. Imagine being hospitalized, being able to do nothing, but your friends are making their career, hanging out with their loved ones, hanging out with their relatives, cousins, and you are just hospitalized. How would that make you feel? You would long for good.
It is the health that is the real wealth, not the pieces of gold and silver. Hello and good afternoon to everyone present here. I am Mesa Subedi from grade 9 Himlum standing in front of you. Health is wealth. Firstly, I would like to thank our respected Arjun sir for giving us this opportunity. Health is the greatest wealth for human being in the entire life. One can survive without the excess of money, but can't survive without the excess of good health. Something we can't buy with money is good health. If a person is not having good health, he or she can't live their lives the fullest. Money doesn't make a person rich and happy, but good health does. Moreover, a person can't feel happy and complete without having good health. Good health is one of the main component for main component for happiness in one's life. We can see various people around us who are happy without having more money or without having a lot of money. Moreover, they are happy because they have good health. We can also
Good morning to everyone present here. My name is Nimisha Daha and I am here in front of you all to present a speech on the topic health is wealth. First of all, I would like to thank our Arjun sir at ODF English department for giving us all an opportunity to present our views and ideas on this topic. Health is wealth. Yes, I agree. Health is wealth. Like the lazy king we read about, we came to the conclusion that wealth cannot buy health, but we can take care of health with the help of wealth. We can just buy health because it's not something that like comes in the market. So health, it's supposed to be all of ours first priority because with health we can earn money. People who have good health in comparison, whether they are rich or poor, in comparison to people who don't have good health, live more relaxed lives. And healthy individuals can earn more in comparison to unhealthy people. If we lost wealth, overall nothing else is lost. But if we lose